summer slips out, I can smell autumn on the wind. And the harvest soon come and be gone as deciduous leaves descend. All the peppers and beans in the garden, picked clean, dried up and brown. I just let them enjoy the winter, come spring till I'm into the ground. But for now I just sip this coffee as the fog dances on the lake. And I'm shouting my praise to the muse, and just singing for singing's sake. Singing for singing's sake as the fog dances on the lake. I try to live to give and I take, singing for singing's sake. Afternoon raking leaves, that there's not much else one can say about breaking the sweat with a little light of work on a cool October day. And tonight we'll burn the brush, and of course all the leaves. That smell take me back to childhood when everybody burned them on the streets. But for now I just smile and work, neither of which you can fake. And I'm soaking up the last bit of sunshine, just singing for singing's sake. Singing for singing's sake. I am one with this rake. I try to live to give and I take, singing for singing's sake. Tonight around the fire, same stories we hear all the time, with the newest version just a bit embellished and some juice in each new line. Ah, but that's the way we like it. Good story make us feel like kids, and it helps to gently remind us what living free and simple did. But well, it made us run like animals, and from joy we'd never break, or from happiness or wonder, and we'd sing for singing's sake. Singing for singing's sake, a God-given right I can't shake. I try to live to give and I take, singing for singing's sake. Singing for singing's sake, a God-given right I can't shake. I try to live to give and I take, singing for singing's sake.